Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks.
Using a powder foundation, create an even base and set it with a brush. Starting from the outer corner, add a glittery pink shade as your eyeshadow base. Draw a light wing using a pencil eyeliner and smudge the edges for a slight smoky look. Line your lower eyelids using a gold shimmer shadow. Using a volumizing mascara, give your lashes a quick lift. Add some more shimmer to the inner corner of your eyes. For the perfect brows, fill them in with eyebrow pencil. Don't forget to define them. Use a peachy blush for a natural bright look. Use a bronzer to accentuate your features. Apply highlighter on the bridge of your nose and on your cheekbones. Finish the look with a popping red lip crayon and you're good to go.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.